how to redeem Fliff Cash. For this, you can go ahead and redeem using your Flip application or from web. Open your Fliff Cash app and make sure you are logged in. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom. From this list, you have to tap on the 3-line icon at the top, then head to Redeem Fliff Cash. Right here, once you tap on this option, you will find the fund that is redeemable. You can just go ahead and tap on it and proceed. Before that, if your account is not verified, you have to firstly verify yourself. Then, you will be able to redeem your Fliff Cash. If your redeem amount is more than $599, you'll be needing a verification documentation. For that, submit any verification needed or documents it asks for. Then you'll be able to redeem it in every 5 days. Now when you redeem your Fliff Cash, you have 3 of the methods to redeem it in a cash. Firstly, you can do an instant bank transfer, for which you will get your cash instantly if your bank is in real time. If not, it will use a ACH network that will take at least of 1 to 2 business days. Second is a standard bank transfer, where you can add your amount, your account and a transaction route, and you'll be able to receive your amount in no longer of 1 to 2 days. And lastly, there is gift cards. You can go ahead and buy some gift card and use them in the platforms that it supports. Then just like that, you'll be able to redeem your Fliff Cash. And that's pretty much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for watching.